Hi friends, today I'm gonna show you how to register yourself on Beloved Network app and what's the actual procedure of registering yourself on the app. So first of all, go to App Store and download this app from your App Store on your cell phone. After downloading and opening the app, this screen will appear in front of you. Click on the sign up, and after sign up, enter your number here with Pakistani flag or whatever country you are from, and then enter your Gmail address, and then enter your first name, then your last name, and remember to give a name. Like for example, if your name is Ali Raza, try to write a unique name like Ali Raza 112 or whatever the number may be, but try to keep it different from the past names, the names that people have already taken. Then enter a password must be in alphabetic, numeric, and special characters. Make a good combination of that, and put here a refer code. You can put mine or your upliner's code, and after putting the refer code, uh, tick this circle. It will take you after clicking sign up, it will take you to the next page. Now you'll receive a verification code in your Gmail. Copy the code here and click verify code. This screen will appear in front of you. This is the most important thing in the whole app, and this is called private key or pass key. You will have to take a screenshot of it. You will have to write down it somewhere in a hard copy. Write it in your diary or whatever you have, so that it may be available whenever you need it in future. From here you can copy it and paste it in your notes or whatever. Keep it safe as a soft copy, and from here you can download it in a PDF form so that it may be available in your phone. And after that, take the circle, and completing these steps, you will be taken to this page, and this means you have completed all the process and your ID has been created, your registration is complete. This is the front page of the app, and I'll tell you more about the app and its usage and its functions right now. After completing all these steps, just for once log out and log in again to your account, so that your account is verified that it's okay and there is no problem in it. Take care. Thank you.